Projectile motion formulae. A quick example using the projectile formulae. So we have a particle that's launched at an initial velocity of 28 meters per second at an angle of alpha above the horizontal, and this particle passes through a point B with these coordinates. So because we have an x coordinate and we have a y coordinate, we need the equation for the trajectory of this particle. So here's the equation for the trajectory. It's y as a function of x, so we know that y there is 8 and x here and here is 32, and alpha is the unknown angle that we're going to work out, and we know what u is. U is 28. That u there, it's 28. So we substitute our values in, simplify, rearrange the terms, so we have a tan squared term, then a tan term, then a constant. This is a disguised quadratic equation, so if we let v be equal to tan alpha, this equation can be rewritten as the minus 6.4. This would become v squared plus 32 times v minus 14.4. You can get solutions for this from your calculator. So if we undo the substitution now, so v was tan alpha, so we have tan alpha equals 4.5 and tan alpha equals a half, and then tan inverse of these ratios, so to three significant figures, alpha is 77.5 degrees or 26.6 degrees. For further practice, try these questions.